Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here, and it's February the 14th, Valentine's night. Got my staff shirt on, and for all those junkies that never got their Valentine's card today, at least yesterday was pancake day. I got my pancake as well, so don't worry about it. Anyway, it's meet night, we're at the Hideaway bar. And well, it's Valentine's night, so it's not going to be that busy, is it? So let's see what we've got. It's not terrible for Valentine's. Obviously, I didn't expect it to be, but we have the what's that all about? What the? Real, oh, it's my very own Valentine's. I never knew I was going to get a Valentine. Alfie and Steve, father and son. Dino at the back. Good evening, Dino. How are you, mate? Thank you very much for coming. Where's mine? You're the son.
Yes.
Oh, mate, do you look old? Looks old to be the son. Anyway, thank you very much for coming. And the shirts. Where's mine?
It's in the post.
Brilliant. With the check.
Yes, with the
good
check.
Boy. Thank you very much. Staff being smashed about. We have Big Fat Worsty.
How are you?
Oh, very well. What's he got on?
Repping atheism.
Oh, good boy, good boy, good boy.
Yeah,
Ricky Stone, how are you?
Good to see you.
Thanks for coming, mate.
No worries, yeah.
Thank you for coming. How was the party Saturday?
The party was good. I heard you were ill. You were missed.
I was pissed. No, I was ill.
Yeah.
Missed, sorry.
Bless you.
I was in bed at no end.
Yeah.
Will
you be my Valentine?
I'll need one, yeah. She's away, so if you want.
I've got my own. I mean, the good books. I bought her a big teddy bear off one of the stores.
Oh.
I bought her some Belgian chocolates, which she loved.
She loved.
Absolutely loved
But
those.
how many
Brought them over from
chocolates?
the UK.
One chocolate? Two chocolate?
Three chocolates.
Three chocolate.
Whole box of chocolate.
Brilliant.
It was great.
Oh,
so she loved those, and a big bouquet of flowers as well. So
how many bouquets? One bouquet?
Just one bouquet.
Okay. Thanks. We won't push it too much. Getting. Gentlemen, good evening. How are you? Hey, you're from Yorkshire. Yorkshire. If you keep looking that way, we won't get you. But he's one hell of a lucky man. He's one hell of an unlucky man. So for Valentine's night, you brought us somewhere special. Good boy. Thank you very much. Thanks for coming. Good here. And we have got. Good evening, mate. How are you? Back again? Oh, he's got the good side this week. There it is. There it is.
The backside, okay?
Yeah, the backside. Absolutely. Good evening. How are you? So I'm going like that, so it's not going to get him in too much. How are you, mate? Thanks for coming again. Still going strong.
Yeah.
How much did you pay for that?
600.
And it's been over a week, 2 weeks?
No, we've had it done twice.
You had it done twice? I'm going nowhere with it. I can't, I'm done.
Do you want the business card?
Oh, no, yeah, do I want the business card? I doubt it, Probably cost me 20 baht.
10 baht.
10 baht. Oh, drinking the tip with it. Right. Get round. Good evening, gentlemen. How are we, mate? Thank you very much for the beer. God bless you. I'm driving. I've had me free. I wasn't looking for a beer. I've had my limit. So, where are you from? Tamworth. Staffordshire. Tamworth? Staffordshire. Yeah, I'm used to this. I only lived there. I only got as far as Peterborough. I never got any further up. But you from Tamworth as well? Long. Oh, I can't even fucking pronounce it. You're being horrible. He's being horrible to me. Well, thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for the beer. Good boy, thank you. And we've got the Adrian, Andy and Basil. And they are from, all the three from Australia. We've got a line-up, look. 1 Australian, 2 Australian, 3 Australian, and Neil. How are you, Neil? He's, for the mining community in the UK, you may notice that I didn't have a clue. But you was a miner for 25 years?
33 years.
Huh? 33 years in the mines.
Last serving, Littleton Miner.
A last serving, that'll dig him out. Thanks for coming, Neil. Andy and Rayos at the back. All right at the back?
Very well, thank you.
Good evening, young man.
Good evening.
How are you?
Good, good.
Where are you from?
Belfast in Ireland.
Belfast in Ireland. Oh, they're all over the world, I know it. Good. Winnie just got married, beautiful. Yeah, her husband Neil, she's an honest lady. Well, she's made him an honest man. Hello! Staff are so busy with me. Oh, hello, Kev. Yeah, I was being good, not bad. So, I'm going to tell I'm telling your husband to you. The miner, one of the little people. Well, now leave me alone. We've got, good evening, gentlemen, how are we? We've got John.
John from Sydney, Australia.
John from Sydney, how are you, mate? Very nice to see you.
So you make us feel a little bit, having came to Pattaya many times, watch you on your book and your video, makes us feel like home.
Thank you very much, thank you. We've got
Phil from Sydney.
Phil from Sydney.
Jake from Sydney.
You ain't going to believe this.
My son.
This is...
Father and son.
Oh, this is your son. I got you. Yeah, I was worried about that. Another 1 Australian, 2 Australian, 3 Australian. It is. I'm pulling someone's leg. I hope he doesn't take offence. Or the gate. Thanks for coming. Good evening, gentlemen. How are we? Young Neil, this is Winnie's husband, the lucky man.
We're going on our honeymoon tomorrow
huh?
to Loy.
Hey?
We're going on our honeymoon tomorrow up to Loy.
Oh, Loy?
Yeah.
Where is it? Where's Loy?
Loy up near Udon-Thani.
Udon-Thani. I know Udon-Thani. The smaller village that I've got no clue about.
On River.
Mekong River. Yeah, I know it's over the other side. I know there's water in the middle. That's about it. Oh, how long for? A week. Very nice. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
What's your name?
Ken, I'm Ken.
Ken from
the USA, California.
California,
Actually,
Ken.
I'm from that building right there.
So you'll
I know
Yeah, that's my cousin.
Yeah,
that's your cousin.
Yeah.
So you
Well, we
both
met
come out to live here.
Yeah, we both came together.
You brought your cousin.
Yeah, I brought him only because we watched your videos.
Oh, right. The only reason you're living here is watching my
All because
videos.
of you.
Yeah, nothing to do with the
There's
life
going to be
here,
a
the
fight.
women, nothing like
Nothing to do with winning. No. All because of me. Well, thank you very much. I'm pleased if I did you a service.
Thank you very much.
And I hope everything goes great for you.
going
As well
great
as
so
it went
far.
for Neil.
I'm sorry?
As well as it went for Neil.
Oh, it's going great. It's going
Fantastic. Thank you. Thank you very much for coming. We have... we have Mississippi Tom. Good evening, sir. How are you? Thanks for coming. We are out tomorrow sorting you out, yeah? No worries. Darren, it's, this is the gentleman that gave me the head oven. It's a terrific helmet, crash helmet with a motorbike, but I'm shit with them. It's so hot. Thank you very much. Rob from Mexico. It's all right to say Mexico.
Yeah.
Whoa, even though you're a Canadian.
Yeah, I got out of Canada.
But there'll be a lot of Canadians jealous. First you go to Mexico, and then you end up in Thailand. 20 years in Mexico?
Mexico, 20 years.
Wow. And what, 2 weeks here?
Say what?
2 weeks in Thailand, living now.
Yeah, 2 weeks. After going back and forth for 10 years.
I know you're back and forth, but now you've decided to sell up Mexico, out the way, stay here.
That's it. My microphone is on the show. That's the indication I'm not going anywhere.
Yeah, they know it makes sense. They really do. Thank you for coming.
There we go.
The food's still up. It's very quiet tonight. Being Valentine's, so there's lots of food left. I shall be taking a doggy bag home, I think. I'm sure. Chicken wings. We'll have a few of them. People's fingers. Yeah, we'll have some of that. In fact, I'm going to grab some now, and then we'll carry on. How are you, darling? You've brought your lady wife of how many years? 30 years. Maybe more. Yeah, now I've got you back.
Not me.
And we'll be going out, hopefully next weekend, with my young lady. We'll go out. No, she's 40, but no, she looks much older than you. Happy Valentine's.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You won't want that?
No,
Later on?
later on maybe. Good evening, young man. How are you? Doing great. From America, I keep getting this wrong. Chicago, my kind of town. I said it every time. Why couldn't you be like Texas or? I always forget Chicago. You're the only one I know from Chicago. Yeah, always Texas. Yeah, and then you come along. But thank you very much for coming along. Thank you. Young man from Belfast.
Orkney Island.
Orkney Islands. That's close, isn't it? It's just off. Up north. Up north. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you, sir. And tonight, Pascal is back. Pascal back in town. Again, he never goes, I'm sure he does. Did you go back and come back?
Malaysia.
Oh?
Malaysia.
Malaysia?
Yeah, no, I went to Krabi. I was staying down there for a while.
Oh right, so you haven't been any, you've been about?
Krabi, you want to go there? It's beautiful.
Yeah. I do need to go there. I do need to go there and have a look and video it. Maybe next time.
Just do a week down there, right?
I'm not allowed to do a week, I've got to be back here. But I do want to go and have a look. I really do need to go and have a look. Thank you very much. Good to see you back.
Yeah, nice to see you too.
So, that's the line-up tonight. A lot of new faces, not a lot of same faces. Food's looking good. It is quiet, it is Valentine's. But it's alright, I had Shrove Tuesday yesterday. So anyway, that's it tonight. Thank you very much for watching. And if you're coming out to visit Pattaya, don't forget Wednesday night, meat night, 4 subscribers, food out, mingle. It's a very, very good night. So If you liked it, thumbs up, like, share. You can subscribe, up to you. But why not? Why not indeed? Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.